Let me stay with you. In us, can you? Just one night.
Hello everyone, Snitika here and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this look. So if you're interested, then let's begin. First I'm going to take some concealer on a beauty blender and I'll apply it all over my lid. I am also going to apply some concealer under my eyes. Then I'm going to take some loose powder and with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm going to apply it all over my lid so as to stop it from further creasing. Then I will take this shade. This is a pink and brownish kind of shade. And I will apply it only on my outer V area. And I will take some of it towards the crease also. While applying it, I have also taken some of it towards the center part of my lid. Then I'm going to take this shade. This is a very light brown or nude kind of shade. I'm going to use it as my transition shade to blend out the other shadow properly. You can see that I'm blending it in such a way that it gives a very soft look. I mean, the blending should be very proper. It should be very smooth. While blending it, I will also take it towards the inner part of my lips. And here in this part I have not used any further product. I will simply apply it in normal blending motion without any product. I mean only the product, whatever is left on the brush, I'm just gonna apply that only. Here I'm applying some more of that pinkish brown kind of shade to intensify the color over my outer V. Now I will take this shimmery orange kind of shade and with the help of a flat brush, I'm just going to apply it. I'm going to give it a shape of a cut crease. I'm going to apply it in a cut crease shape, but my main focus for this shadow will be in the center part of my lids. I mean, I'm not going to apply it on the inner part. If you want your cut crease to look prominent and at the same time you do not want to use any concealer to do it, then what you can do is you can use some makeup fixer and spray on the brush and use that brush to apply the shimmery shade. In that way you can get a very good look. Now I'm going to take this shade, and this is my one of the most favorite shade from this palette, and what I'll do is I'll just apply this shade on the inner part of my lids. I know this shade is not looking that great in camera, but in real it was looking really nice. If you apply this shade with the help of your fingers, then trust me guys, this will give a very nice look to it. I mean, with the help of a finger, if you apply the shades, they're gonna look really good. Here I have used the shimmery orange shade on the center of my lids to intensify the color over there, and now I'm using that brownish pink shade and intensifying the color over my outer V once again. Now on my waterline, I'm going to apply some gel liner with the help of an angled brush. Here I have applied the gel liner as a kajal, but what you can do is you can directly use the kajal. Now I'm going to take that brownish pink kind of shade and I will be smoking out my lower lash line. So I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner and I will create a pointed inner corner, and after that I will also apply it on my upper lash line, and I will also create an outer wing with it. Then for the purpose of highlighter, I'm going to use this shade and I will apply it on my brow bones and inner corners. To finish this look, I'm going to use the mascara and I will apply it on my upper lashes and lower lashes.
Let me stay with you. In this, can you just one
As you can see, this is looking really nice, and that too without any false eyelashes. So what you can do is you can totally skip the false eyelashes if you want, but I'm going to apply them. So let me just quickly go off camera and then come back and show you the final look.
things that can I do? Do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else.
So that's it for today guys. I hope you loved this look, and if you did, then please do not forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon. Also let me know in the comment section if you love this look, and you can even give me some suggestions about what type of eye looks you want me to create it for you. If you plan on creating this look, then please do not forget to tag me on Instagram. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, have fun, take care of yourself, and bye bye.